Hey friends, today I'm sharing one of the easiest ways to preserve tomatoes for at least 6 months. All you need to do is wash and rinse tomatoes in hot water and then cut into 4 pieces only. The next step is to cook tomatoes without oil or water because the tomatoes will cook in their own juices and this will help in the preservation of this tomato squash. Pressure cook without oil or water for 4 to 5 whistles and then start mashing. The idea is to squeeze as much juice as possible and separate the seeds from the pulp. Continue to mash as much as possible so that all of the juices and pulp can be separated. You can discard this pulp and compost it or apply it on your face. Now you will need to cook this tomato water for at least 8 to 10 minutes on low flame and continue to stir. Once it has cooked well, we will need to bottle it into a sterilized glass jar. You can use this tomato squash in stir fries, curries, or make tomato ketchup with it, as I made for Paro and she loved it. The tomato squash stays good for 6 months. This is one of the easiest ways to preserve tomatoes. If you have any other tomato preservation technique, please share in comments. Do share your views on this tomato preservation technique that I learned from Anita Chahal. Let's meet again soon with yet another healthy recipe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.